Alright, 4K 30. Ow. HDR. Wind reduction off. Alright, so wind reduction is off. We are under a severe thunderstorm with 80 to 100 plus kilometer winds, which is like 50 miles an hour, 50 to 60, maybe 65 plus miles an hour winds. Nickel, no, quarter size hail. But I mean, last time we got hail was like a couple years, like actual hail was like a couple years ago. But this is my 16 Pro Max on 4K 30. Ow. How's my elbow? My shoulder popping, cracking. Ultra wide angle lens with wind noise reduction off. Wide angle lens with enhanced stabilization disabled, so it doesn't zoom it in, because enhanced stabilization is like this. So I keep it off sometimes. It's windy. I mean, look at the clouds. Look at the clouds. They're moving. But I mean, blue sky? And it is fucking hot outside. 29 degrees Celsius, feeling like 35, which is, I think, you do 29 degrees Celsius, you convert that to Fahrenheit on Google. If I'm not mistaken, it's like 80 something, and then 35 is like, what, 90? 90, I think I'm close. I think it's like 90, 94 or 95 degrees Fahrenheit is 35 degrees Celsius, if I'm not mistaken. But if I'm wrong, please correct me. But I think I'm very close. 35 degrees Celsius is like, what, 95, maybe 96 degrees Fahrenheit. But please look out for the stream tonight, because I might be doing a stream. I might be recording it on my phone. I don't know. Depends. All right. So, yeah. And it starts at like 5 o'clock p.m. So, yeah. Please look out for that stream if I decide to do it. Okay. Make sure you have your notifications turned on, and keep on checking and refreshing my YouTube channel tonight, okay? That's it for now. Peace.